Let the light shine bright. Good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me the way. Very good. Now you all have to stand at your place. We do a little bit of warm-up exercise, okay? Are you all ready? Okay. Take your both hands on your chest like this and rotate it. 1, 2,
जल्दी
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll go in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to shake our hands. Everyone, shake your hands. Everyone, shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands. Everyone, shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Everyone, shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands. Everyone, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Very good. Now you all have to jump. Okay, are you all ready? We are going to do a little bit of jumping. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now you all can sit down at your place till the time I'll adjust my camera. You can drink a little bit of water if you want. You can be ready with your materials, which will be asked for you all to collect. Okay, till the time I'll be back. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so have you all completed your homework? Have you all completed your homework? Very good, Sarvadya. Very good. Yes, Manasvi, get it a little closer. Get your book a little closer. Very good, Manasvi. Very good. Very good, Shvansh. Very good. Very good, Yog. Very good, Sanya. Very good, Raghav. Very good. Very good, Tanaya. Okay, Shuprabha, Atharva, Avrasha, Shubha. Very good, Atharva. Very good. Yes, Avrasha. Avrasha and Shubhrama, have you completed your homework? Okay, show it to me.
Yes.
Very good, Atharva. I have seen your homework. Very good. Good morning, Lokeshwari.
Good morning.
Show me your homework, Lokeshwari. Have you completed?
Yes.
Till the time others can be ready with the materials which was being asked to be ready.
अरे अभी हमको नहीं
Yes, Avrasha, Shubhrabha, please show your homework. It's okay, Avrasha, if you haven't completed, show it to me tomorrow, no problem. Okay, don't do it right now. Very good, Shubhrabha, very good. Very good. Yes, Lokeshwari, show me your homework.
क्या तुम बनाए?
Get it a little closer, Lokeshwari.
खाओ अच्छे से।
Okay, it's okay. You can show it to me in the end of the class, no problem. And now, what are we going to do today? I am going to tell you one interesting story. Do you all want to hear? Do you all want to hear a story?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but before that, I want you all to mute yourself so that when I say the story, you can hear it properly. So I want everyone, please mute yourself. And after that, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself. For now, please mute yourself, everyone. Lokeshwari and Avrasha, Atharva, please mute yourself. Then I'll start with the story. Okay. Thank you. So just give me a minute. I'll share the screen so you all can see it.
क्या है ये?
Yeah, a snowman.
Okay. So what is the name of the story? The Boy and the Cashew Nut. What is the name of the story? The Boy and the Cashew Nut. Now, there was a boy whose name was Sunny. Can you see the boy over there? Uska naam Sunny tha. What was his name? His name was Sunny. And Sunny used to like cashew nuts a lot. उसे cashew nuts बहुत पसंद थे. Do you know what is cashew nut? Cashew nut, kaju. Have you ate kaju? Kaju? Yes. In English, we call kaju as cashew nuts. What do we call? Cashew nuts. You all have to say over there. I can see you also. I can see your lips that you are saying it. Say everyone. Cashew nuts. Yes. So, Sunny used to like cashew nuts a lot. उसे cashew nuts बहुत पसंद थे. इसलिए उसकी मम्मा उसको रोज एक cashew nut खाने के लिए देती थी. Okay. So every day, his mother used to give him one cashew nut daily. But what happened? Sunny used to ask his mother that, Mama, why don't you give me a lot of cashew nuts at a time? Sunny पूछता था मम्मा को. Yes, Avrasha.
My life.
Okay. I'll see it at the end of the class, Avrasha. Now you hear the story, okay? Okay, Avrasha? I'll see it at the end of the class. Okay, very good. So, there was a boy named Sunny and he used to like cashew nuts a lot. But one day he said to his mother, Mama, why don't you give me a lot of cashew nut to eat? आप मुझे एक साथ बहुत सारी cashew nuts क्यों नहीं देते हो खाने के लिए? So Mama says कि बेटा, Sunny, if you eat a lot of cashew nuts at a time, आपके पेट में problem हो सकता है. You will get stomach ache. Yes? अगर आप कोई चीज आपको बहुत पसंद हो और आप वो बहुत ज्यादा एक टाइम पे खा लोगे तो आपके स्टमक में पेन होगा ना. यस. अगर आप एक साथ बहुत सारा खाना खा लेते हो तो यू गेट स्टमक पेन. यस. बट वो चीज सनी को नहीं समझ रहा था. सनी वाज लाइक, मम्मा मुझे नहीं खाना देना चाहती. शी ओनली गिव्स मी वन कैश्यू नट. सो he didn't understand at that time जब मम्मा ने उसको बोला कि why you should not eat a lot of cashew nut at a time. But then what happened? One day, Sunny was all alone at home. उसकी मम्मा कुछ काम से बाहर गई थी. So he was alone at home and he was very happy. You know why? Because he thought that Mama is not there at home today and no one is there. So I will go to the kitchen and I will eat a lot of cashew nuts. मैं बहुत सारी cashew nuts एक साथ खा लूँगा. Sunny ने सोचा and he went to the kitchen and he tried to take the box of the cashew nut and he started eating cashew nut one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he ate a lot of cashew nuts. But do you know what happened at that day? In the night time, Sunny got sick. उसके stomach में बहुत सारा pain होने लगा. And you know why? Because he ate a lot of cashew nut at one time. उसने एक ही बार में इतना सारा cashew nut खा लिया, इतना सारा cashew nuts खा लिया कि वो बीमार हो गया उस दिन. Then he understood that मम्मा was very correct. मम्मा जो बोल रही थी वो ठीक था कि एक साथ हमें कभी भी बहुत ज्यादा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, because at a time if we eat a lot of food, हम एक साथ बहुत ज्यादा खाना खा लेते हैं तो उससे स्टमक में पेन होगा और हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. And that day he understood that we should listen to our parents. हमारे parents जो बोलते हैं हमें उससे सुनना चाहिए and we should obey them. हमें उनका respect करना चाहिए. When they say it is just because of your sake, आपकी भलाई के लिए बोलते हैं, right? अगर आपको वो कुछ बोलते हैं नहीं करने के लिए, that is just because आपकी भलाई के लिए. So we should every time listen to our parents. Yes. So what did you all learn from the story? That we should every time respect our parents, what they say us, and we should listen to them. Okay, everyone?
मोबाइल में देखी थी खाना कभी खाना चाहिए, पिकनिक खिलाने जब जाते हैं.
Yes, everyone. Did you all understood the story? Just show me a thumbs up if it is a yes. Just show me a thumbs up if it is a yes. Okay, I can see thumbs up.
Yes.
Very good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to share you the story. मैं ये story आपको WhatsApp पे share करूँगी और आपको ये story पूरा one time read करना अपनी मम्मा के साथ. Okay? Will you all do that? I'll share it on the WhatsApp. That story is also there in your digital book. तो आप डिजिटल बुक में भी देख सकते हो, बट आई विल शेयर इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप आल्सो सो दैट आपको मुश्किल ना हो फाइंड करने में. ओके, so once you have to read and come, and tomorrow I'm going to ask you that have you read or not, और मैं किसी भी एक जन को पूछूंगी कि पूरी स्टोरी बोलने के लिए. So bet you all have to be prepared. Okay? Very good. Yes, Avrisha, show me your homework.
Yes, teacher. Show me homework. Yes, homework.
क्या करती हो?
ये एक दूसरे बनाने की वो चीज event हुए तो भी event
To
हुए.
the time others, you can be ready with the material. We are going to do a activity now. Okay, you have to be ready with your paper plate, one paper plate, one blue, orange and yellow color. If you don't have that color paper, you can use white paper, one paper and glue. Okay, very good, Avrisha, very good. Okay, so now Avrisha, you also be ready with your material. Very good, Avrisha, very good. Do you have to be ready with your material, Avrisha, now?
Teacher.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so everyone, are you ready with your material? And if in case if you don't have paper plate, अगर आपके पास paper plate नहीं है, so what you can do, you can take a circle of a paper, white paper or any color, you can take a circle. We'll do it with that. अगर आपके पास paper plate नहीं है, you can take a paper circle. Is there any question? किसी को doubt है? Ask me. Okay, so let's start. Just give me a minute. Everyone, show me your paper plate. If you don't have paper plate, that's okay. You can take a circle. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to fold it like this. I don't have a paper plate. There wasn't available in the market. So I am taking a circle piece of paper. So now you have to fold it like this, half. Have you all did it? The circle, show it to me, then I'll go ahead. Paper पर होना ऊपर. Have you all? Yes, very good. Atharva, Yog, Shivansh, Tanaya, Shuprabha, are you guys doing it? Yes, can I see your paper plate? Okay, it's okay if you don't have material right now. Even that's fine, no problem. What you can do is you see the procedure of how to make it, okay? And then later on with your mom, you can sit and make the whole duck. Okay, today we are going to make a duck with the help of this. Okay, if you don't have material, it's okay. You can see the procedure how to make it and later on make and show it to me tomorrow. Okay, and if you don't have a paper plate, you can take a circle piece of paper. Yes, very good, Athava. Very good. So now you have to fold it half. Everyone, have you folded? Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to cut this from the middle. You can take help from your mama to cut it because scissors you cannot use. You can take help from your mama to cut it. Everyone cut it from the middle. Have you all done this? Ready, everyone? Just show me a thumbs up or show your paper. Okay, so now what you have to do, the next part is that जिसने भी paper plate लिया है, they are going to put the white part upper side. White part ऊपर color it later on. Yes, what happened, Lokeshwari?
Yes.
Is there any doubt? आपको कुछ नहीं समझा है? Okay, and whoever is using white paper, what they can do is after sticking, they can do the coloring part after the class. Okay, I'll share the picture of color also, so that आप color भी कर सकते हो later on. Okay. Yes. So now what we are going to do? At one side, we are going to apply the glue and we will stick it. Okay, everyone apply. Okay, so everyone, have you applied the glue? Okay, and you have to stick it in the middle. Okay, this is the stomach of the duck. तो आगे से थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा उसको stick करना. Yes, Lokeshwari, is there any doubt? You can take white paper if you want. If you don't have a paper plate, अब then उसको yellow color कर सकते हो. That's okay. Okay, and whoever is not ready with the material right now, you can do it later on and show it to me. Okay. Have you all done till here? सबने यहाँ तक किया? The sticking part.
उसमें कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है ना.
Yes, Lokeshwari, आपको कुछ question है क्या? कुछ नहीं समझा? Okay, after that, what are we going to do? we are going to make the head of
आगे ही
the
नहीं रखना है
head of the duck. So हम क्या करेंगे? Whoever has white color paper, they'll take white color paper. If you have yellow color paper, then that is also good. And now you're going to make the head. So how are you going to make? You can take help from your mama because it will be difficult for you to make. But you can take help from your mama. तो क्या करना है? पहले एक standing line बनानी है ऐसे. To make one standing line. And उसी के सामने थोड़े distance में छोड़ के one more standing line like this. So 2 standing lines you have to make of the same size. It's okay, take your time, no problem. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि I'm going fast, please let me know. I'll go a little slower. And if you don't have paper, you can take white paper. That's okay. आप then coloring कर लेना, okay? उसपे you can do the coloring. After that, have you made this? आप क्या करोगे अभी? ये हो गया duck का neck. So now we'll make the face like this. हम एक circle बनाएंगे और वो ऐसा होगा. Like this. You have to make like this.
ये नहीं हो रहा है.
Parents, please help them to draw this because. Okay. No problem, Yug. I'm going to share the photo also. So later on, you can sit and do it with your mom and you can show it to me tomorrow, okay? For now, you can sit and see the procedure, how to make it. Have everyone done till here? सबने यहाँ तक complete किया? Yes, very good. So now what you have to do, parents, please cut this part for them and give it to them for the sticking part. You have to cut this part. Okay, even I'll cut it with you all over here. You will have to cut it. Okay, Shivansh, no problem. You can see it now, and जब आपको material रहेगा, you can complete it later on. Okay, whenever you arrange the material, you can complete it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good. So, everyone show me the head of the duck. Then I'll go ahead. Yes, I can see Shubhrabha's head. Shubhrabha is ready. Okay, we'll wait for others to complete it. That's okay. Yes, Atharva, what happened? Raghav? Manasvi? Okay, Sarvadhya is also ready. Very good. We'll wait for others to complete. Yes, Atharva, what happened, Atharva? Look here. Look here, Atharva. Look here. क्या हुआ? Okay, Lokeshwari is also ready. Tanaya? Tanya? Tanaya is ready. Sanya and Manasvi? Avrasha, Raghav? Are you all ready?
ये आठ बोल गया ये गाल को
Atharva is also ready. So now what you have to do? You have to stick it over here like this. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे stick करना है. So I want kids to do the sticking part. So at the back side, you can apply the glue. Apply the glue at the back side and You can stick it over here like this. Like this, you have to stick it. Have you all done till here? Very good, Sarvadya. Yes, Lokeshwari. Very good, Sarvadya. Later on, what you have to do, आपको सिर्फ coloring करना है, okay? After the class, coloring करके कल मुझे दिखाना.
अरे अच्छा तो दोनों हाथ से पकड़ो ना.
Wow, that is nice, Lokeshwari. Very nice. आपको क्या करना है सिर्फ after the class आपको coloring करके मुझे दिखाना है, okay? Very good, Kinaya. The pink color is very nice. I like the color. Yes, Atharva, Manasvi, Raghav, Avrasha, Shuprabha, Sanya, can I see your papers? Yes, Shivansh. Sleepy feel हो रहा है? खड़े हो जाओ and do a little bit of jumping. तो sleepy नहीं होगा. Stand up and do a little bit of jumping. Yes, do jumping. Yes, do jumping so you won't feel sleepy. Jump. It's okay. Sit down. Sit down. It's okay. Sit down and drink a little bit of water so you won't feel sleepy. Okay, very good. Everyone, have you completed till here? So now what you have to do? You can take a black color. Very good, Manusvi. You can take a black color or black sketch pen, whatever you have at home. A black color, black sketch pen ले सकते हो. And we are going to make the leg of the duck. So how are we going to make? First, we are going to make one standing line like this. Very good, Sanya. Very good. Nice. So now everyone, we make the leg of the duck. So be ready with the pencil, or if you have black color or black sketch pen, be ready with it. We make a standing line over here and one more standing line from here. Two standing line like this. Yes, Yug. You are looking here. You can drink a little water if you want. Okay, Yug. Raghav. Then we are going to make two slanting lines like this. We are going to make two slanting lines like this. So these are the legs of the duck. The legs ban gaye. Now we are going to make the eyes of the duck. What are we going to make? The eyes of the duck. Very good, Manasvi. Very good. So how are we going to make eyes? We are going to make a circle. Everyone make a circle first. And then we color a little bit, half circle. So this is the eyes of the duck.
ये कुछ वैसा नहीं बनाई ये कुछ ये नहीं रहा है.
Very good. This is the eyes of the duck. Then what you have to do is, what are we going to do? We'll take an orange color. We'll take orange color. Very good, Lokeshwari. Very good. Very good, Shwansh. Nice. That is really nice. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to make the beak of the duck. So हम क्या करेंगे? हम orange या तो yellow color से ऐसे triangle बनाएंगे and we color it a little bit. So this is the beak of the duck.
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes, me.
Yes, Avrusha, what happened? Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
नहीं रहता है.
Very nice, Avrusha. Okay, so have others completed? Okay, very good, Sania. Very good, Tanaya.
ये हमको ये नहीं लिखना है.
So what you all have to do, जिसने भी white paper use किया है, they have to color the yellow color. आपको neck, मुंह और body को yellow color करना है. Oh wow, Sarvadya have already completed. Very good, Sarvadya. Very good. So others can complete and show it to me tomorrow. Okay, everyone? Can show it. So that you can have a reference. Very good, Tanaya. So you can have a reference. Very good, Sania and Manasvi.
ये पेपर फट गया.
So for now, everyone, you can keep your material aside and join your hands. You can complete and show it to me tomorrow, okay? Join your hands and say with me, thank you, God. Say, thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food that we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless my mummy. God bless my daddy. God bless my teachers. Always help me to make them happy. Very good. So now we'll do the national anthem. For that, you have to stand at your place. And if you know the national anthem, okay?
You sit, stand.
Are you all ready?
Happy
Gana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Ganga Yamuna Ganga Uchala Chala Sitaranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा भारत भाग्य दाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Very good, everyone. everyone. So I hope that you all will complete the coloring part and show it to me tomorrow. And we'll meet on the same time tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.